This is Stuttering Dave here from West Virginia Engineering. Today, I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. So, today the wife's been after me. Her Z3 has her glove boxes is falling down. It looks awful. So, and I told her at the beginning of this month, by the end of this month, it would be fixed and it would be hanging up and it would be permanent. So, with that said, it's what, 2 more days and it'll be the end of the month of August. So, I need to get going. So I figured that I would just start it tonight to assess the issue and to see what's going on with it. But I'll show you guys a quick picture of it. Okay, so here's our glove box of our Z3. You can see that it's just hanging down right there, and she hates it, and it looks like the screws just pulled out. So I'm gonna take it off and see exactly what's going on up inside there. So yeah, I don't know if I turn on the light. Yeah, it looks like it's a little bit broken. Looks like that whole dash is broken. So I may put a piece of metal in behind there, but let me remove this glove box and then I'll take another look at it. So let me get a good look at it. So I got the glove box removed, and just looks like it's old plastic fiberglass, just all broken up. So I'm thinking somehow maybe put a piece of metal, thin piece of metal. I'll look to see what I got and then fold it down, bend it here, have it all run all the way across to here, and then bolt it here, and then it'll just be a solid piece of metal. And then I can just run some self-tapping screws in it, and that'll be that. But I also noticed on the glove box housing itself, this hole here is there it is broken. So it's easy to fix, and you know, these right here are the same way. So I'm just gonna have to I'll just fiberglass these over and just drill a hole, and that'll be that. That'll be simple repair on that. So we're going to repair these holes, and with that said, we're going to need a couple of tools and a couple of supplies. So I got together some acetone, some Bondo or fiberglass. It's stage 2 fiberglass. Need a screwdriver to open it up and some electrical tape. I'll show you what that's for. If I did have some duct tape, I would use it, but I'm completely out. So, and then we need some gloves to protect us and something to mix the fiberglass on, and a rag. What we're going to do is we're going to clean around the area of the holes that we're going to repair, because we want to remove all the dust, and if it has any oil or anything, we want to remove them. So that's what the acetone is for. Wipe it really good. Try to get in there, try to get everything. Since this bracket is going to be in the way of the fiberglass on this side, I want to remove it. It's only 4 screws. I want to remove it and and then we'll be ready to mix the fiberglass. So I got that bracket off now, and I can see where the bolts hold the bracket right here, that it's all broken up there also. So, and for this, since this is sagging, if you can see, sagging down because it's lost all of its support. So I'm going to do the same, but I'm just going to put them right here, right there, to raise it up, and to raise it up, get it kind of straight. I got another one I need a little spacer for, just like that, and if you look, it's pretty straight. So that is what we're going to go with. So we will fix these holes up, and hopefully it'll be good as new. Okay, for this electrical tape, what we're going to do with it, see, since we have a hole here, and if I put the fiberglass on the back side, it's going to come out on this side, and I want to keep it black and looking good. So what I want to do is I'm going to put some electrical tape, just fill in the hole, and then hopefully it will hold enough where that it won't allow the fiberglass to go on the other side. You put it just, I can't see nothing, just put it right there at the hole, and instead of just having it flat, I want to put it inside the hole so it looks like that. There we go. So it looks like that. So hopefully I'll keep the contour of the hole, and if I just have to use some black touch-up paint, that'd be good, just to touch up for the gray fiberglass. So let me do the other holes and let's get started. So mixing the Bondo is pretty easy. It's just open it up, just read the instructions, because I think it depends on your temperature and the humidity on how much of the hardener that you use and how fast that you want it to dry. So let's put on our gloves and get started. Okay, so the fiberglass is all dry, nice and hard now. So there, I may have to sand it a little bit. Got a couple of hot spots. So I've removed the tape, so now I just have to drill out the holes. So that looks good. I'm just going to drill out the holes. I'm just going to use a 1/4 inch bit and drill them out, and then I'm going to reinstall a bracket, and this will be done. This part will be done. Drilled. I just use a 1/4 inch bit, drill the holes, reinstall the bracket. So now we are ready to work on the car again. So let's go out and see what happens. Okay, now we're back out here. This right here is a piece of metal I found. It's an L shape. I don't know what you call it, but this piece of metal strap. I think you can buy this stuff at Lowe's. It's not that expensive. It looks like it's maybe 1/16 of an inch thick, 32nd, something like that. But I know I can't bend it with my hand, so I'm gonna cut it to length. This one's a couple feet long. It's probably left over from my lean-to that I built. So let me measure these. I'm gonna measure from. I'm gonna cut it from here up. I'm gonna cut it from here to here. So I need to measure, and hopefully it'll be a perfect angle, but I don't think so. But we'll find out. Okay, so I have the bracket cut. I cut it to length, and then I I notched out my holes. I did have to bend it. I had to change the angle of it, and how I did that was I just laid it on the concrete, and I just took the hammer, I just smacked it a couple of times and just kind of flattened it out to change the angle. So I already took out my bolts, so this slides in between two pieces here, and yeah, there's the bolt, and there's the other one right there. So yeah, there it is. So let me put in the bolts and see how it's going to hold. Okay, so there it is. It's installed. It's in there. I just used a couple of self-tapping screws in the glove box. So there's my bolt. I know it's a bracket to hold the airbag to the frame of the dash. So still got plenty of threads left in it. They're secure, and I don't think there'll be an issue if the airbag ever goes off. I think it'll be good because they are tight. And then that bracket, it's not going nowhere. Okay, so I got the glove box just in there right now, just sitting. But I did buy these little screw-in caps. They're really nice to use, and that they cover up the screw heads. So you got two there that the caps broke, and then you got one here, and then one here also. So I'm gonna put these caps before I screw it up, but it looks like it's gonna be a good fit. I think it will, so I'm gonna screw it in and see how she looks. Okay, got the glove box back in. Looks pretty good. This seemed pretty good. So here's here it is. All in. You really can't tell that I repaired it. It's a little stiff, but there it is. I gotta paint these washers. I did have to put 2 washers there. I just didn't feel comfortable not doing it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully in the future I'll have some more. I got a 2007 Prius that's not running, and I have to get it going. So that might be another video. I know that my sister and brother-in-law gave it to me, so I'll see what's up with that. And alright, you guys, take care.